Okay, for 6.3, before you look in your books, I want to look at this graph together. So here we have a graph comparing price of car to the car's mileage. The equation for this line, it's got some funky numbers in it, so bear with me. Y equals negative 0.073x plus 17,404.48. Okay? So the slope of this line, we can determine by looking at the equation, is negative 0.073. So what that means is that for each mile that the car increases, the cost of that car is going to decrease by $0.073. Okay, so about 7 cents. Each mile that the car gains is going to decrease its value by 7 cents, or by this $0.073. Okay, for this next activity, you're going to be determining what the slope means in the context of each of the problems. So here we have 3 graphs again: price, weight, and carrots. Let me zoom out a little bit. And here's your equation. You need to tell me what the slope of the line is, which you can get right from the equation, and then tell me what does that slope mean in the context of this problem. So remember that slope is change in Y, so in this case it would be change in the price of dollars over the change in the weight of carrots. So what does that mean in the context of this problem? What does the slope mean in the context of this problem? You also have 2 more problems here. You need to tell me what the slope is and what the slope means in the context of the problem. Okay, pause this. You're going to set a timer for about 5 minutes. When the 5 minutes goes off, unpause the video and we'll go over the answers together. Okay, for number 1, the slope of this line is 5,520.619. In the context of this problem, that means as the weight of a carrot increases by 1, the value of that diamond is going to go up by about $5,521. I'm just rounding that slope to make it make more sense in the context of this without all of those decimals. But basically that means as the weight of the carrot increases by 1 carat, the diamond is getting bigger by 1 carat. So diamond increases by 1 carat. The price increases by $5,521. If we remember that slope is equal to our change in Y over change in X, that makes sense. Change in Y is $5,521. Change in X would be 1 carat. So as the carat increases by 1, or as the diamond increases by 1 carat, the price of that diamond is increasing by $5,521. Maybe that's why I don't have many diamonds, you all. Okay. 6.2, or number 2, here we go. We're comparing fuel efficiency and weight. Here we have our equation. The slope of this line is negative 0.011. In the context of this problem, that means that as the car increases by 1 kilogram, so it's getting 1 kilogram heavier as we're moving to the right by 1 kilogram, the fuel efficiency of the car is decreasing by 0.011 miles per gallon. So as the car increases in weight by 1 kilogram, the fuel efficiency decreases by 0.11 or 0.011, my bad, miles per gallon. And that makes sense, right? As the car gets heavier, its fuel efficiency gets lower. So this has a negative slope. We can tell that because we're decreasing. Our line is going down instead of up. So as the car increases in weight by 1 kilogram, so as we move over 1 kilogram, we're moving down 0.011 miles per gallon. Okay? Hopefully we are kind of remembering our slope triangle. So as we go over 1 kilogram, we're going down 0.11 miles per gallon. Our third and final graph, we have a slope of 0.59. We're comparing energy consumed with high temperature. So what this tells us is that as the high temperature is increasing by 1 degree, so as the temperature increases by 1 degree Fahrenheit, what is happening to the amount of energy consumed? Well, we have a positive slope, so we must be consuming 0.59 kilowatt hours more. So as the temperature increases by 1 degree Fahrenheit, energy consumed also increases by 0.59 kilowatt hours. If that's confusing you, don't worry about it. Just you need to be able to tell me that as the temperature is increasing, the energy consumed is also increasing. Okay? A couple of things that I want to point out. The easiest way to find the slope for each situation is to look right at the equation. You are not going to be able to get this specific of a slope by trying to find 2 points on this line and calculating it. You want to look directly at the equation. That's going to be the easiest way to find the slope. The answers for the meaning of slopes, they do make sense in the context of each of the problems. So that's something that we really need to start working on. Slope always makes sense in the context of the problem. It has to, otherwise it wouldn't be the slope. The difference between a positive slope and a negative slope, let's write this all together down here at the bottom of the page. Positive slope means that as one variable increases, the other variable also increases. So here we have a positive slope. As our high temperature is increasing, our energy consumed is also increasing. So positive slope means both variables are increasing. A negative slope tells us that as one variable increases, the other variable is going to decrease. So looking here, I know you all are trying to write this down. Looking up here, as our weight is increasing, our fuel efficiency is decreasing. So we have a negative slope. Negative slope, one is increasing, one is decreasing. Positive slope, both variables are increasing. Okay?